The term pay yourself first, I first saw it in the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. That was in 2011, 11 years ago. And basically, it's a simple rule that helps you prioritize your long-term financial well-being. Because what it simply means is that whenever you earn an income, before you start spending, before you start taking care of your needs, the first person, the most important person you should pay first is yourself, right? Before you go on and start paying society, the government, start paying the petrol stations, start paying the grocery stores, basically, before you pay every other person, pay yourself first. And this rule is as simple as saying, once I earn my income every month, I will take out 10% of my income and keep it for investments, or I could take out 15% or 20%. Right now, I keep about, say, 25% of my income, personally, every month, right? Or every time I earn an income. And if it's a secondary income source, I plan to keep, say, 60% of secondary income sources. And the reason is this: if you want to invest, say you want to invest in real estate, for instance, you want to pick a property on jointly, and you want to buy, slots in those properties so that you can earn rental income. How are you going to do it? You want to plan it, right? So you want to take out a percentage, and it is more about discipline than about, just doing the act. So let's say you earn 200,000 naira now. You might say, man, quickly, let me just, I want to get there fast. Let me say 50%. But you might not have the muscle, the strength to be able to keep 50% of your income, because you have other things to still take care of. So what you might really just be able to keep is 10% or 20%, right? But the moment you start keeping that 10%, that's 20%, you know what you're doing? You're taking out money, you're keeping. You're taking out money, you're keeping. You have started building your financial muscle, right? Now you can take that percentage and put it into some form of investment. Now, you might put it in first, you might put it in a savings account that gives you more than the average returns on saving. Not much, I know, but instead of keeping it in an account that takes from you or gives you less, put it in something that gives you more. Maybe something that gives you 1% a month. There are accounts like that, there are banks like that. I would not be calling any names right now because, I don't want to be seen as though I was shooting an ad. But yes, there are those, banks and financial services that give you at least 1% every month. No other person, most persons won't give you that much, right? Now you keep your money, and then even when you increase your sources of income, you still keep it, and then look for investments to put it in. Real estate is a good place. With jointly, what we are doing is that we are reducing the barrier to entry. We are making it more affordable. We are making it more accessible. So you don't have to wait until you have 50 million naira to buy a 2-bedroom apartment in Agungi. You can start with 500,000 naira. You can also decide to multiply that money, right, in a short period, and co-build a project, partner on a project. With that money you've kept, you can do it. It increases by 30%, you take it, you put it in something else, it increases by 30%, you take it, then you can buy slots in the property that pays you rental income every month or every quarter or every year. And when you've done that and it's paying you rent, instead of spending the rent that comes, you can reinvest it, or you can take a part of it and reinvest the rest. Investing is a long, boring, thing. It's not as interesting. It's just simple rules. So yes, pay yourself first. Make a decision to start paying yourself first from today, from your next paycheck. And you see, the goal of paying yourself first is so that you stop earning paycheck to paycheck, right? Over time, you stop earning paycheck to paycheck. So guys, make a decision today to pay yourself first.